Life can't help but be structured, sometimes too much so. It gets to the point where you crave not necessarily the lack of structure, but more freedom. Freedom to be expressive, creative, to take things that people tell you that you can't do and bump it up to the top of the bucket list. We're always looking for ways to enable that.
The Phantom 3 Standard is a flying camera that matches your lifestyle. It's a fully integrated, user-friendly quadcopter and is ready to fly right out of the box. There are so many missed opportunities to capture once-in-a-lifetime experiences that you realize how limiting it is to have to always hold a traditional camera. Capturing photos and video with the Phantom 3 Standard brings a new dimension to experiences as you live them. And watching your footage play back feels just as real as that moment in time.
The included camera shoots up to 2.7K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second and captures 12 megapixel still photos in JPEG or RAW format.
Simply connect your mobile device to the Phantom and turn your camera into a live bird's eye view from the sky. This real-time HD view runs on built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to see everything. Take pictures and video instantly, and access a wealth of other features as you fly over half a mile away. The Phantom 3 Standard's motors have been upgraded to be even more efficient, giving you up to 25 minutes of flight time with each battery.